This phone refuses to die and shoots like a DSLR. Meet the Oppo Reno 14, a true 2025 flagship killer with a gorgeous 6.6-inch AMOLED display, 1 billion colors, and a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, protected with Gorilla Glass 7i and rated IP68/IP69. It's safe from water, dust, and pressure. You can literally rinse it under a tap. Powered by the ultra-fast Dimensity 8350 and packed with up to 1 terabyte storage and 16 gigabytes RAM. It's built for creators, gamers, and power users. And here's the insane part: triple 50 megapixel cameras. Shoot crisp wide shots, 3.5x optical zoom, and ultra-wide landscapes, all in flagship quality. Front camera, a massive 50 megapixel selfie shooter that records in 4K. Content creators, this one's for you. And with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery plus 80-watt fast charging, say goodbye to battery anxiety. This beast easily lasts a full day and charges super fast. Starting around €530, the Reno 14 delivers features you'd usually see in phones twice the price. Would you choose this over Samsung or iPhone? Drop your pick in the comments.